it's me, Marita, with another video. I'm so glad to be back. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please take this time to subscribe and enjoy the video. So I did receive a exciting product from Amazon, and it is a headband wig. Now, I have never, well, y'all know the wig story a while ago. Probably back in April, I got like this hot mess wig. Well, hopefully I'm getting a new experience, and I got a headband wig, which is perfect for like beginners, like, you know, beginners. So I'm going to share that product with you, and if you have any, you know, interest, I'll link their, I'll try to link their website below in the description. I'll put the name of the company here. I think it's like Brand US or something like that. So I'll share everything, all the details with you in the description box. But let me show y'all the package. So it came in this package, and two little gifts came along with it. So it came with this cute headband. Isn't this cute, y'all? Like a little headband, little crisscross in the front. And this is like perfect for Christmas time. So this came with it. It's kind of a silky material. It also came with this one. Let's see, it's like a paisley design. Oh, this is like a plain, just a plain one, but it's really cute. I like the colors. Kind of matches what I have on, so I'll probably try this one on with it. And let's get into the real deal, okay? This is like so exciting. Comes like a little Ziploc bag. And this is the wig. Very shiny, looks like Barbie hair. Alright, I got the little netting on it. Let's see, oh, 24 inches, y'all. You already know, I don't do the long hair, so this is probably gonna get cut. But this was the only option that they had. Oh, y'all, look. And it's not really, is it shedding? Not really. Alright then. So this is how it looks. It has this little paper inside. It has a comb in the front. And this is the little cap. And it has this here, little Velcro in the back. So this is the headband part, and it's kind of like a velvet material. It's kind of like a velvet material. It's really soft, really nice the way they have it on there, and then the little Velcro on the ends to kind of get it tightened to your head. And so far I only see one comb, so it's just one comb at the top up here to secure it. So here you have it, y'all. Has a little natural bump in it. Okay, let's see. All right, I'm about to try it on, y'all. So I'll be right back.
Yeah. Yeah.
Y'all, I am so loving this hair. It's so cute. You know when you have that itch to get your hair straight and then you really can't, you really don't want to do it to your hair? Girl, I am so gonna cut this to a more natural. Y'all know I like my stuff to look not know, and everybody know my hair is not this long. But I have to review what they send me, and after that, I can do what I want to do with it, because it's mine. This is going to be my winter hat for winter time. So this is my hat for the winter. This is my headband wig. All you gotta do is just lay them edges if you want to. Put your little headband on. And I'm sure as I go, I'll do it much faster. But this is my first time using it, and oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. What about this headband wig? I am all for it. It does not shed a lot. I am so for this. This is like my go-to for the winter. It's like so comfortable. It's so easy. Don't have to worry about trying to hide the lace. Girl, I finally did it. I finally got one. I've been wanting a wig for so long. Y'all don't understand. And now I finally got one that really works. It's so cute. I like it. I am pleased. So all the information will be in the description box. Thanks to Amazon for sending me this wig, and I hope you all enjoyed the videos. I will be posting some pics, so follow me on my Instagram, Free to Be Kinky, and you'll see some pictures there, and I'll probably post maybe one of them on the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.
Yeah.